Hello, amazing learners and great minds. You're welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, you're going to be learning an interesting topic, and that is comparing fractions. We are going to be looking at what? Comparing fractions. In our previous lessons, we learned what is fraction, and we said that fraction is a part of a whole. Fraction represents part of a whole. Now, when you have different fractions, how do you know which one is bigger, smaller, or equal? That is what we're going to find out in today's lesson. So, bring your pen, your pencil, stay put, and let's dive into the lesson. Okay, you can look at the board. I have this fraction. This is a whole divided into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And to give someone these two pieces, one fraction is this. That is 2 over 5. And to give another person 3 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 3 out of 5, that is 3 over 5. When you look at these two fractions, it's easier to know the one that is bigger and the one that is smaller. When you look at 2 over 5, it's smaller than 3 over 5. So 3 over 5 is bigger than 2 over 5. So when you're comparing fractions that have the same denominator, it's easy to know which one is bigger. How do you know that? By looking at the numerator. Look at 3 over 6 and 2 over 6. By looking at the denominator, the one that is bigger shows you the bigger fraction. 3 is bigger than 2, so 3 over 6 is bigger than 2 over 6. Very, very simple. So when you're comparing fractions with the same denominator, what you simply do is to check the numerator and look at the one that is bigger. Any number that is bigger, the numerator that is bigger is one that is the bigger fraction. So that is it. But when it comes to fractions with different denominators, that is where some people have problems. Look at this fraction. 3 over 4 and 2 over 3. These are two fractions, 3 over 4 and 2 over 3. Which one is bigger? Which one is smaller? Or are they equal? How do we find out? So what do you do? Since they are different denominators, you cannot work with them like that. You cannot just let me go and look at the denominator. 3 is bigger. No, you might be wrong. Some persons might guess right, but don't guess. That's a better way to be very sure of your answer. That is what I'm going to disclose. I'm going to teach you this in this lesson. So what do we do? Remember, in our previous lessons, we have discussed about finding a common denominator. So today, we're going to be using that common denominator. So what do? You look at this 4 and 3. You find their common denominator. How do you find their common denominator? By finding the LCM. The LCM of 4 and 3. We mentioned about the LCM, which is the lowest common multiple. So the lowest common multiple for 4 and 3. We know that 4 has 12 as a multiple. 4 times 3 is 12, 3 times 4 is 12. So when the multiples of 12, you have 12 as a common multiple, that's the lowest common multiple. Some persons can just say 4 times 3 is 12, but that is not in all cases. So we're going to change the denominator to become 12. To become what? Good, 12. We want to change this denominator and this denominator to become 12. So for this fraction, I will put 12. I'll put this 12 as the denominator. The 4 has changed to 12. We're no longer using 4. The numerator has to change. So what do I do? 4, to find the numerator that should be there, we say 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4, that will give me what? 3. Then 3 times 3 will give me what? 9. That is how to find the numerator. Or you can simply say like this. 4, this is 4, this is 12. What was 4 multiplied by to give me 12? 4 was multiplied by 3 to give me 12. So the numerator will be multiplied by 3 to give me the corresponding equivalent fraction. Simple. 4 was multiplied by 3 to give this 12. So I have to multiply the numerator by the same 3 to find the corresponding equivalent fraction, which is 9 over 12. So our 4 over 3 has been changed to 9 over 12. So I want to convert this to have 12 as the denominator. Now that 12 is the denominator, how do I find the numerator? 3 was multiplied by what to give it 12? 3 was multiplied by 4 to give this 12. So also 2 will be multiplied by 4 to give me the numerator. the corresponding numerator that will be the equivalent fraction. 3 was multiplied by 4 to give 12. 3 times 4, 12. So 2 times 4 will give you what? 8. With this, we have seen that 3 over 4 is equivalent to 9 over 12. They are the same. And 2 over 3 is the same as 8 over 12. Okay. With this, you can find the fraction that is bigger. So 9 and 8, which one is bigger? 9 is bigger than 8. That means 3 over 4 is bigger than 2 over 3. 3 over 4, which is 9 over 8 or over 12, is bigger than 2 over 3. So whenever you're finding fractions, you're comparing fractions with different denominators. What that says is the first step. The first step is to find their common denominator. You convert it. It's like doing equivalent fraction. You convert it to that common denominator. And now check the numerator. The numerator that is bigger tells you the bigger fraction. Very, very simple. But wait, have you subscribed to this channel? If you have watched this video to this point and you haven't smashed that subscribe button, please smash it. On this channel, I'm uploading content relevant to parents, teachers, and learners. And you wouldn't like to miss out on any of my videos. Turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload videos on this channel. And don't forget to give me a like, give me a thumbs up, like this video. You know what it means? It's a boost for me. It encourages me to do more. Thank you if you have done that. I really appreciate it. So let's continue. Which of these fractions is bigger? 3 over 6 and 2 over 5. Which of them is bigger? Please solve it. Put the answer in the comment section. I want you to practice. If you find any process difficult, pause the video, go back and play the video. You will find that the steps are so easy. After this video, once you have mastered it, you won't find it difficult comparing fractions whatsoever, any fraction at all. So do that. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. I'm glad you made it to the end of this video. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.